Hello children, welcome to today's music class. In today's class, our topic is time value of notes. Our topic is time value of notes. In book 3, we studied the following notes: semi-breve or whole notes, minim or half notes, crotchets or quarter notes, quaver or eighth notes. What should strike your mind as you come across these notes is the length of time for which each note is sounded. Semi-breve is 4 counts. Minim is 2 counts. Crotchet is 1 count. And quaver is half count. So children, that is all for today. Hope you enjoyed the class. See you in the next class. Please subscribe to this channel, like, and turn on the notification button for more videos like this.